Hi everybody, this is a video in which I would like to show you a technique that I mentioned in a previous one. The new straps I got from Peak Design, they're really cool and they are based on these buttons that you connect with your camera, and then with different types of straps. This is the hand strap, or you can have it on the so-called leash. This is the cuff, and I came across a little problem in threading these through some of the cameras. And for instance, I want to show you this with the example of my Ricoh GR, and I'm actually very interested in using this hand strap, especially with the GR, because it gives you that additional safety when you carry it around. And basically, there's really no way you can thread this through this manually, because it's just too thick. And if you go in with some kind of needle or some tool, I tried that, and I don't think it's very good for the cord on this one, even though it's Kevlar or something like that. I don't want to push it hard. So what I came up with was this technique with nylon. This is a fishing line, actually. And what you do with this one is basically you assist the passing through. So you put this one into the hole like this. Then you thread it through the loop of this button. And then you go back through the hole. And actually, in this case, it's really a tight fit, but it will work probably. You take enough of the nylon fishing line on the other side, and basically, without cutting yourself, be a little bit careful there. You really pull it through this hole, and there it goes. It's a tight fit, but it will work. Then you take the fishing line back out of the cord, and then you push the button through this one here and make it, tighten it like this, and basically you have it as you want. So you can put the strap to it, connect it, make it click, and then you have your camera that you can carry around like this. It's not at all in the way. If you connected it up here, it would be a little more in the way, and I prefer to have it on the bottom, and the bottom hole is even tighter than the one here on the top. So this is really the perfect setup. You carry the camera, you handle the camera, you can go through all the dials, and it's absolutely not in the way, and it will keep your camera safe, and you can disconnect it. And even if you want to use the camera without the strap, it's basically just this little thing down here, and it's absolutely not in the way. So I hope I could help some of you with this. If you I can really recommend this solution. It's a Peak Design, and it's a great thing, especially for smaller cameras. Not necessarily as small as this one, but up to something like the Sony A7R. And really, with this trick with the nylon, you just need a few inches of nylon, and you can thread it through the holes of almost any camera that I have. So there are larger ones where it's really not a problem, with the Leica, for example, or the Nikon, but with a smaller one it's a problem. And like this, you have it. You will leave it on anyway, probably. You get enough of these. I can really recommend getting several of these things and keeping them attached to the camera, and depending on whether you want to have it with one or with two. Technically, you could actually put one of these up here on top and then have it connect it like to your neck or something like that, or just carry it on the side. But then you would have two of these, and maybe some would get in the way. And weight wise and bulk wise, it's definitely not necessary for a camera like the Ricoh GR. It still stands, it's absolutely not in the way. It's just this little thing, and it's a great solution. Thank you very much, and come back soon. Subscribe if you like, and I hope I could help you. Thanks. Bye bye.